You guys, in 10 minutes I'm gonna get my first silver button. I got a phone call. Hey, you have a delivery. I didn't order a delivery. But then I remembered I ordered a delivery of a button. They didn't even give me tracking, so I forgot about this. Pretty anticlimactic. And here's my button. Here it is. Let's unbox it. I found a quiet spot, so let's open it. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's not a YouTube button. It's a local social media platform. This is basically all I have. It's an equivalent of a silver button for 100,000 subscribers. This is what our national button looks like. You know, it's funny that after 10 years of doing YouTube, what you see here is 36 subscribers. And the button I got is from the random social network that you don't know. So my biggest channel stopped at 22,000 subscribers. I gave up this year about half a year ago because it was also at 22,000 subscribers 4 years ago. And I think it's shadow banned. If you don't believe in shadow bans, you can ask Mark Zuckerberg. It's all in his testimony to the Congress. It's all been proven. YouTube is partially blocked in this country, so it's pretty heavy, looks cool. They don't even put a name of the channel, so it's kind of generic. I expected a little touch with the name of the channel. So at this point, this is literally the only proof I have that I know something about social media. The situation is ironic. You know, I've been doing YouTube for over 10 years. Actually, I've been doing various content. I started with making websites in 2007, I think. It was 18 years ago. And then I made my first dollar from text in, I think, 2013. Yeah, that was 12 years ago. And my first video I uploaded on YouTube about 10 years ago, I think. Or maybe 2014, 20. I don't even remember. I don't even remember. At this time, I have over 10 YouTube channels. And out of all my YouTube efforts, nothing gave me the plaque. I got this random plaque from random social media that you don't know. And I couldn't even post this video. You know, I've been thinking about this for 2 weeks. I had a start. I had a start where I got the award, and then I just didn't know what to say. But now I think I know what to say. Because you know what? This is not even my channel. This is a faceless channel I bought. And I bought this faceless channel with a worker. So it's not even a team. It's one woman posting articles. This is a text blog and it has 250,000 subscribers at this point. I didn't even bother to get this plug before. It's for 100,000. So I got it and I asked myself why and how. Why am I doing YouTube for over 10 years and I got nothing? My biggest channel I abandoned at 22,000 subscribers because it wasn't even growing anymore. It wasn't growing for 4 years. And I tried many other channels. At this point, my biggest is, I think, 6,000 subscribers. And just because of one random short that blew up. It was about at 3,000 for many years. You know, I looked at the analytics of this very channel. People watch my 10, 20-minute videos for about 1.5 minutes. And this tells you something about the perception that we always have. That bigger is always better. Because on my other channels with several thousand subscribers, similar videos people watch for 8, sometimes 10 minutes. So nothing that I do on YouTube is really growing. I have many small channels. And I kept asking myself why. Why is that? Why I cannot get a real silver button? I already showed you an episode of this vlog where I found a random guy made a channel and got a golden button in about 1 month. That is crazy. Why am I doing this stuff for 10 years and I can't get the plaque. I got this for a random channel about garden. Look at me. I don't know anything about garden. Anything. I'm not the garden guy. I bought the channel. It's faceless. I analyzed all this and then I realized that this is not a random scene, you know? This is not a random scene. I will tell you why. Because this is a faceless channel and I'm paying for the worker, for a freelancer, to do the job for me. And she's doing the job consistently, every day, every week, every month. This channel is about 7 years old. And she keeps posting stuff for like 3, 4, sometimes 10 articles per week for about 7 years. This channel had gaps, obviously, but mostly it's consistent. And that's why it's at 250,000 subscribers. And whatever I do, I tend to overthink. I think that every piece of content that I post is some kind of an art. And I want to like put my soul into it. It cannot be mechanical. I am not the methodical guy. I'm a creator. I'm a creative guy. So when it comes to making something steady and methodical, I completely fail. I know that I should be posting content, for example, on this channel. And it took me about 2 weeks, but I already had the idea of the video. It took me about 2 weeks to sit and talk to the camera. I don't know why. This is just me. Some people are not just built to do this, I guess. I'm trying and I'm trying and I'm trying, and it's always gaps in the content that stop me. Many channels, I have a spark when I get the idea. I have a spark in my heart to do something, and then I don't see immediate results, and my spark just dies out, and I cannot do this anymore. That's why I have so many channels, and that's why this channel has 36 subscribers after 3 months. It could be 360 or it could be 3,000 and something, but it has 36 subscribers. Not because I don't know what I'm doing, not because I don't know what to say, not because I don't have good topics. It's just because of my approach. I just tend to overthink, and I already made a piece of content about don't overthink, and yet I overthink because this is me. This is who I am, and I will keep overthinking. And yeah, that's why I don't have a silver button. I have only this. I don't know, guys, if you think does this make my words heavier? Because this is heavy. I think whatever I say sounds heavier and more impressive with this thing. So I put it in a frame. Tell me what you think in the comments down below.